Well, here comes the real ghetto product. Me, Kingston 13 ghetto product. 2 Mile ghetto product. Crescent Road next to the Chinese cemetery. Ghetto product. Now big up to all the St. Joseph Road Massive, Browns Lane, Bones Road, Kid Lane, Norman Lane, Wellington Street, Fitzgerald, Waltham Avenue, Julian Drive, Granathan Avenue, Pienland, Chisholm Avenue. Yeah, real Kingston 13 people them. Big up. McDonald Lane. Yeah. I'm telling you something about which part me really originate from. Crescent Road. See that youth? That's a youth, them used to have brand this as number 5 Street. Guess what? A peer pickpocket used to dep on my road, you know. Finger fearing man them, you know. We just live by going out on the road and just use them 2 fingers and slide out while it's out a man pocket. And gone with the whole time weekly him hard working food, you know. Yeah. And during them days, it never the gun thing never prevalent that them days there. Them days there was, you know, was a few, one pop and very, but it never that what if killing never go on, but number 5 Street was Crescent Road with Doberman crew and them man there. See? Only for them migrate and some of them dead out. Not for the youth them when me grew up monks. And that's why me rate myself, you know. Kudos to myself too, you know. Not no self-praise, but kudos to myself. Me no follower. Yeah, me a one boy where have myself as a leader. Me no follower. Cause me the follow, me not end up with like them too. Not for them. Dead. Enough youth me know. Cause them used to have a little trend where them all used to go up on Spanish Town Road and the little bus them go up on it and grab people chain when the bus stop right against for them territory right at the bottom of Crescent Road. Grab them people chain and run through all cool lane. And guess what? The manager for the bus them or the owner for the bus them start drive on the bus them and put all police on the bus them. And some of them, as them grab the thing them, you know how much man dead them way there? Bam bam! Spread them out with the people them things in them hand on the road as they run out of the bus. Yeah man, no family coverage in them. When me and them grew up. Other way that them meet them demise. Crescent Road man. Now I tell you. In a them era there. Yeah. Until it go on until different vibes start going on the road. Up the road, a war with down the road. You'd have Whap Them crew. You'd have Rat Bat. You'd have Whap Them. And the one them a war against them wider. Up the road can't go down the road. Down the road can't go up the road. Yeah. Segregation. One at a time I find me I look for myself and I say, but how me I go get to reach out pan all the main? Because you have to go through be a little warring sides. If me turn up, warring side up there. If I turn down, but you, me and myself as a man, where neutral to thing, but me still have to watch me back in a cause family all mix up in it and you know want a quack catch shot reach me, so you don't know me have a skeptic. Sometimes me other walk come down the road and me see all I'm nigga from down the road where know say boy I up the road me live and know say and him a walk come up. Me a come down the road and him a walk a come up. Me nah pass him. Me just make a U-turn. And just walk go back the road. Me and him ain't nothing. But me nah trust him. Because me don't know where him have. Him could have shirtless. But him still can have all them thing tuck in him the back of him trousers. See? Cause all of them are dopey maker. And even though me have music as my thing and all of them know say boy me have music as my thing. That not stop no man from wars. Take a man stripe and all them something there. Yeah. So 2 Mile Crescent Road. A whole heap of little brethren me know man. Whole heap of little brethren where me and them dark good man them just take the road there. No one, you know, sweat of blood of them bro if them eat bread. Them want it the easy way, you know, or take people things. Don't tell one of my uncle up that way that way, you know, cause him did that trade, the finger fearing trade too. See, the man get wounded on the road. I think him left or right hand. I'm saying the man would that easy. Man still going back on the road. Check the hospital, the man gone take off the bandage and put on fresh bandage. Towards me here say, them and them kill him on a bus. Kill him on a bus up at Constant Spring. Cause a bus them love go pan and slide out people wallet out of them pocket and all them way there. See? Kick him off a bus and dead pan road and all them way there. Yeah. So I wanted to get a product this man. And it's going to be a leader. Not being a follower. I'm all little crew. Whisper you live. A one man get all a gun. You not no gun yourself. You are run behind him. Like a follower. You're a big follower. You not no gun, you know. And him have the gun, you know. And you run up behind him and very to one and 2 times him will put it in your hand. But not all the time. You are run behind him. If some boy him for come under attack, I am the man where can respond back. You have to duck and take for yourself. I not join them system there. See? So I have to just give thanks to Jah for know say boy I'm there same way. You know? Cause you have to smart as you growing up. You know the gets. See? Yeah man. You have a skeptic. Not trust no shadow after dark. See? And you have a street smart to come out of the ghetto. Wola. You understand? Have your life. You know? If you're not street smart, you get caught. So big up to all the ghetto youth them. When we say, you know, them still alive and I give thanks to me and you know. And I hold them now build a menace to society. You know, and I hold them own, you know. Yeah man. Remember one of the time when I'll Captain Bark ever sang we say, man a give bun and a get back bun. What you call it? Call it bun fi bun. 2 youth come round on the road there and thing and them time they have a brother named Chaka 2. Where him be kind of the top man for the era. See? Him goes up, the 2 youth must have come from round Pineland region and come round there and I don't know where them what kind of transaction, but me said the 2 youth them must have burn them in a over Chinese cemetery and all them way there. And it's like the boy, the man them whisper them youth they come from, must say boy, them want the leader for round the car, he must know what go on, must know about them youth they that. And they must send come call him say boy man from foreign come down and say boy them want to see him. And call him. And him go on there with one of them friend. I burn the man them burn him. Man them burn him like tire. and burn him. Anytime that song they play, we say, man a give bun and a get back bun. What you call it? Call it bun for bun. Remember that incident there. Yeah, man. 2 Mile is a history. So, but you know, them only passa. I mean, follow. You see, I try to keep my distance, you know, and hold my own, you know. Yeah. It's all about that, you know. So big up to all the people them. All the good youth them from out of the ghetto. We live to come and I can tell her the tale, you know, about the ghetto. Big up to one and all. Yeah. Big up.